How to fix Spotify offline mode not working. So first thing that you need to do is simply check for any kind of updates for Spotify. So for that, make sure that you have internet connection first of all, and then from here you can simply get into your app store and in here search for Spotify. So after searching for Spotify, here you can see the application. If there are any kind of update requirement, there will be the update option. All you need to do is tap on that one, and within few seconds your Spotify will be updated. So after updating it, see if it's working offline. If it's still not working, then what you can do is simply offload the application, go to your settings of your phone, and then scroll down a bit, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and then from here keep on scrolling until you find Spotify. Tap on show all, and in here keep scrolling until you see Spotify right here. Tap on it, then tap on offload app, tap on offload app one more time, and within few seconds your application will be offloaded. In order to reinstall it back, you'll need to tap on reinstall app one more time, and within few seconds your application will be reinstalled back on your phone. So after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that your Spotify will start working offline, and that's it.